Technopedia India. This is Ruhan, Narula, and today I'm going to tell you why I bought the blue Yeti microphone instead of the many other microphones in the market. So let's get started. The blue Yeti microphone is the one through which you can hear me right now, and I have already tested the quality, which is pretty good, and also I will also be showing you a comparison in a second. Recording from the blue Yeti microphone, and now I'll show you the inbuilt iPhone 11 microphone that I used to use. This is my recording from the inbuilt microphone of the iPhone 11. As you can see, there is a lot of difference between the two. And you can also get third party stands from Amazon if you don't like this one, which can also adjust the height, but make sure that it's compatible with the blue Yeti because of its unusual shape. USB microphone, so it can be attached to your laptop, your computer, your tablet, your smartphone, but for that you will need special accessories such as a USB to USB-C adapter or a USB to Lightning adapter. The main reason I bought the blue Yeti is because of its versatility, and that is because it has 4 modes which can be adjusted through the back. So the 4 modes are, there is car droid, in which it will only hear the person in the front, which is what it is on right now. Then there is omnidirectional, in which it will hear sound from all 4 sides. Then there is bidirectional, which can be used maybe in an interview, in which so it will hear the person in the front and the back. Then there is a studio mode, in which it will use which can be used in karaoke, so it will hear the people standing on the sides and the front, which is great. A mute button on the front, which can be pressed if you want to mute your microphone, and that button also lights up when the microphone is connected to a device which is on right now. And also there's a volume scroll which can be adjusted when there's a headphone attached through the auxiliary port at the bottom, and there's the gain which can be adjusted. So what gain basically is the volume of the amount of the voice that we put in the microphone, which can be adjusted. So I've not kept it to too much, otherwise it would be disturbing. Right now it is at half. Test out the microphone outdoors, so let's go. Currently testing out the blue Yeti outdoors. I will also add text over here letting you know what I think. As you can see, there's a lot of noise coming from the street, and it's still able to recognize my voice pretty good. Now it's time to tell you the cost. I got this bad boy for just rupees 8,999 from Amazon on discount due to the Great Indian Festival sale. To summarize, you can get its siblings too, which are the blue snowball ice and the blue snowball, which are cheaper than this one but aren't as versatile. I'll link them in the description too. It can be used for various purposes such as recording podcasts, gaming, or even singing music, which is great. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Catch you guys in the next one.